At Daisy Montessori, every child begins their day with joy, comfort, and curiosity. Our mornings start with settling activities that help little ones transition smoothly from home to school. Engaging puzzles, art, and games make children feel safe, relaxed, and ready to learn. In our carefully designed Montessori environment, everything has a purpose. Each material sparks curiosity, independence, and confidence. Here, learning is hands on. The Montessori way encourages children to explore, discover, and grow at their own pace, while teachers guide them with love and care. At Daisy Montessori, we don't just teach, we nurture independence, creativity, and a lifelong love for learning. Daisy Montessori, where every child blooms.